Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the topic computer network. Do you know what is computer network? Means एक ऐसा एरिया जहाँ पे one or two or more than two computers are connected with each other. It is known as computer network. Next thing is the very first and the important thing is communication. How you create your communication with another person? You just talk with them, you share your views, information, etc. In the same way, कंप्यूटर भी कम्युनिकेशन क्रिएट करता है. सपोज टू सिस्टम्स हैं, अगर हमें एक सिस्टम से दूसरे सिस्टम पे डेटा सेंड करना है, वी मस्ट सेट अप अ कम्युनिकेशन इन बिटवीन दैम. फॉर सेटिंग दिस कम्युनिकेशन वी नीड टू हैव फोर थिंग्स हियर. फर्स्ट वन इज द सेंडर, second is the receiver, third one is the communication channel, and the fourth one is the protocol. Now the thing is, who is sender? Sender is the system who transmit or sends the data, and receiver is the one who receives the data. Now the next term is about the communication channel. अब communication channel होता क्या है? It is a way through which we can contact with the another system. For example, it is given here like cable, satellites. These are the examples of your communication channel. And the most important thing that comes here is about the protocol. Protocol, what does it means? It is a term which means set of rules. देखिए, whenever you go to school, you have some rules that you need to follow. Like you have to come in a proper uniform. You need to come with your scheduled bag and all the things. In the same way, when we are in a networking, then there are some protocols. Protocols means the set of rules that you need to follow while communicating with the systems. Now the term which come here is about the computer network. It is very much clear in which two or more computers are connected with each other. As you can see here, two or more computers are connected. Even these computers can share their data, they can share their resources, they can take the things and give it back. नेटवर्किंग का कंसेप्ट ही यही होता है. मीन्स जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा सिस्टम आपस में कनेक्टेड होते हैं एंड दे शेयर एवरीथिंग, दैट इज़ द कंसेप्ट नोन एज नेटवर्किंग. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज नीड ऑफ अ नेटवर्क. अब हमें नेटवर्क की ज़रूरत ही क्यों पड़ती है? वेरी फर्स्ट एंड द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ दैट data and information sharing. I am giving you just a little bit of example here. Suppose कोई भी 5 person है, एक कंपनी में वर्क कर रहे हैं and they have given a project. What they will do? They will sit in a networking. उनके जितने भी कंप्यूटर्स होंगे वो आपस में नेटवर्किंग में कनेक्टेड होंगे so that they can share their files, they can share their information and complete their project within a time period. Next thing is hardware sharing. Now hardware sharing, what is that? Again I am giving you one example here. There is an example of like your computer lab. You have seen there is a one server system और उसी server system से rest of the 5, 7 और 10 systems are connected. जैसे ही वो आपस में connected होते हैं, only the server system you can see it is having a CPU and other resources connected with it. But जो rest of the systems हैं, उनके पास कोई भी hardware device connected नहीं होता. In this way, they share their hardwares. Another is the software sharing. Software sharing का meaning क्या होता है? Again, the same example of your computer lab, in which you know there is a server system. वही एक ऐसा सिस्टम होता है जिसमें हम सभी तरह के सॉफ्टवेयर्स को इंस्टॉल करते हैं, डाउनलोड करते हैं, और वो एक ही सिस्टम से जितने भी सिस्टम्स कनेक्टेड होते हैं नेटवर्किंग में, they will get the same software on their PCs also. In this way, they can share the software also. Now the last but not the least thing, it is transfer funds. Transfer funds का meaning क्या है? You can send your money, you can send your amount to anyone. Nowadays we are using these things very frequently. For example, online banking, Paytm, these are the examples of transfer fund, and this is done just because of networking only. जब बैंक्स आपस में नेटवर्किंग से कनेक्टेड है, देन ओनली इट इज़ पॉसिबल टू ट्रांसफर द मनी फ्रॉम वन अकाउंट टू अनदर अकाउंट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग विच कम्स हियर इज अबाउट द नेटवर्क यूजर. नाउ द थिंग इज, हु आर द नेटवर्क यूजर्स? सी, सपोज वी आर कनेक्टेड इन अ नेटवर्किंग, हमारे पास सिस्टम है, हम और दो सिस्टम के साथ नेटवर्किंग से कनेक्टेड हैं. सो द वन हु इज यूजिंग दैट सिस्टम मीन्स द वी पीपल, वी आर नोन एज द नेटवर्क यूजर. Now what is the resources or local resources? Again the example is as you have seen in the computer lab, there is a CPU, there is a projector, there is a printer. These devices which are connected with the server system or in a networking are known as the resources, or we can call them local resources, right? Now the next thing is the topic is about server and workstation. अभी हम काफ़ी देर से बात कर रहे हैं server, server, server. What is that? As you can see here, there is a one system that is called server. अब इसी server से आप देख रहे हैं many systems are connected. These are the computers. One printer is even also there. See, these are known as the workstation. जितने भी system हमारे computer के साथ connected होते हैं, these systems are known as workstation, or we can call them peers. These are also known as peers. And there is a one main system जिसके पास CPU भी है, printer भी attached है, other devices भी connected है, and this main system is known as your server. Now the next thing is types of networks. अब networking के भी various types होते हैं. Here we are with the 4 types. First one is the LAN. LAN stands for local area network. ये क्या होता है? It is a kind of networking in which computers are connected in a limited area. For example, as you can see, आपके बिल्डिंग में आप वायर के साथ अपने कंप्यूटर्स को कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. इवन यू कैन सी, आपने स्कूल में भी देखा होगा कि कंप्यूटर्स जो है वो विद द हेल्प ऑफ वायर कनेक्टेड हैं. सो वो एक लिमिटेड एरिया में ही कनेक्टेड है. दैट इज़ डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ लैन ओनली. और यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी टर्म आ रही है दैट इज़ नोन एज नोड. नोड का मीनिंग क्या होता है? ईच कंप्यूटर और डिवाइस विच इज़ कनेक्टेड इन अ नेटवर्क. नेटवर्क के अंदर जो भी हमारे डिवाइसेस होते हैं या कंप्यूटर्स होते हैं, इंडिविजुअली दे आर नोन एज नोड. नाउ द नेक्स्ट टर्म इज द टाइप इज मैन. मैन स्टैंड्स फॉर मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क. अब इसमें क्या होता है? इन दिस द कंप्यूटर्स आर कनेक्टेड विद इन अ सिटी और अ टाउन, और डिवाइसेस भी हमारे कनेक्टेड हो सकते हैं. For example, as you have seen at your home, TV cable, you can see the cable wire is connected throughout your area, and that is done with the help of MAN only. Now the another type is WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. अब इसमें क्या होता है? In this, computers are connected over a large geographical area like regions or countries, and the very popular example is internet. Another thing is PAN. This thing also you are using nowadays. See what it is? It connects personal devices. For example, your laptops, your smartphones. And for this, what we use? We use Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. Thank you.